In detail, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday said India is fast becoming the preferred investment destination for investors across the globe. Modi highlighted that India has become a focal point of new ideas, new solutions and speedy development, and all policies of the government have the welfare of the common man at their core. Speaking at the launch of multiple development projects in Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, the Prime Minister said, "Today, when the world is going through a crisis, India is achieving new milestones in several sectors and scripting history, and the world is witnessing India's growth."
ये योजनाएं इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से लेकर ईज ऑफ लिविंग और आत्मनिर्भर भारत तक कई नए आयाम खोलेगी, विकास को नई ऊंचाई पर ले जाएगी। मैं इसके लिए आंध्र प्रदेश के सभी निवासियों को हृदय से बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं।
Polling for